Okay, here we have a new Ducane air conditioner that just had a very angry startup. It sounded like a Copeland scroll compressor. It is from 2023 and it's a 5-ton. It was installed sometime between April and now. And they replaced a Tronic XP1000. Here's another one. It's off. You got 4 blades. And this one has an LG scroll. It's exactly the same. It's been running recently, but been here for a little bit. It hasn't started up yet. And these do have interlink fan motors. Alright, I also found a 2024 Ducane that I'll include in this video too, so let's see that. Alright, here we have a brand new Ducane air conditioner that replaced a Goodman.